time. Be a nice boring PM video. Got some coil cleaner, got my pump sprayer. Water only. Keeps the hippies happy. The true makeup, you'll see the difference when you get with the R290. So this one's running on R290. You'll see the caution stickers, and you'll see the back is different. How they have it set up for the condenser and stuff is different than the 134A. The 134A one's, the condenser's right here on the side. And this is all a big open grill that you can screw off. The R290 ones is a solid piece of aluminum, you'll see. And we'll take that off and we'll show it to you. And there should be some red marking stuff on the Freon light. And then what you'll notice too is like your thermostat's in the back now for your temperature control and adjustment. And it's all to keep the possibilities of arcing or sparking inside the evaporator. It's probably super important to put this cover back on. Not to throw this cover away. And then here's the red indicators that let you know it's R290 on these units. I don't think it's going to be as a big deal as even myself was making it out to be at first when it all came out. It's just an adjustment, a period. You know, getting used to pinching off and not having Schraders on there. Things like that. And then you'll see the coils under here. And it's right there. Needing a little cleanup. Ooh, just in time on the bar unit. Would have had a warranty compressor coming soon. The old Perlick, good stuff. Whew. Okay, so True will also put this on there too, so you know it's R290. It'll say natural refrigerant. It's a win-win for the manufacturers. The return bends on the condenser now are 1/4 inch instead of 3/8. You'll see this is a two-door bottle cooler, half door. And here's another thing I noticed that's really neat is look at that refrigerant charge. 2.6 ounces is all they need to run this thing. So it's like hardly any refrigerant in there whatsoever. And it's a win-win for the manufacturers, for these guys. All right, that was a look at some maintenance. I got some questions for you guys on the R290 stuff. I think it's going to be a good thing in the long run. You can run a 2-door bottle cooler on 2.6 ounces of refrigerant. It's pretty damn good. What pinch-off tool are you guys using that are working on the R290 that's working out real good for you guys? And which gas leak detector are you guys using? I gotta have to come up and get some of this gear to wrench on this stuff. So just curious what you guys are using out there. Hey, as always, like, subscribe. You can thumbs down me too if you don't like it. That's cool. It's all a part of the process. We'll catch you guys on the next one.